Welcome to our channel. Today we made a profit of $1,665 in 5 minutes thanks to the TradeMind bot's accurate signals. TradeMind bot is a smart trading assistant for pocket option. It provides winning signals based on in-depth market analysis using AI. Let's see how it works in practice. First, let's select the currency pair that the bot currently recommends using. Then the expiration time is equal to 1 minute and we wait until the bot gives us the result of its analysis. The bot's first signal worked great. We repeat the same steps again. Now let's try to choose a currency pair ourselves and see how the bot copes with it. All signals turned out to be correct. Don't miss your chance to increase your income with TradeMind because it's completely free. To get a bot, follow the link in Telegram, which is displayed on the screen or pinned in the comments, and follow the simple steps. We are waiting for you again on our channel.